guys are going pretty fast.
Who is going to be the longest?
I don't know.
We're finding out who's going to be the longest who.
Alright, there's a contest.
Yeah. A contest. To see who's the longest who forever. Oh, I'm going to go fast. See how fast I'm going, Allison? You have to move your bottom faster to make it fast. Like, yeah, look at me.
I think it's going to be a tie.
And
Yeah, it's a tie. You guys are both fast.
looks like Emily's is going to fall. Well, I'm not. I can make it go up. Yeah. Ha! I'm so moving too.
Alright, I call it a tie.
Well, I call it is ever going to drop it. You know who finds it out? It's probably going to be me. Yeah, go to the bathroom or you can start over again.
Oh! It's a tie!